Hello, I'm not Phil from Driftworks, and this is his E46 V10 M3 build. Right then, since I've been left on my own this week, because if anybody actually knows Phil, they'll know how he is with germs. So we think he's locked himself in a bunker till all this blows over. So while I'm here on my own, I'm not going to mess with that subframe. I'm not going to mess with that steering rack. I'm going to look at that pile of bits over there, and I'm going to start prepping the subframes, front arms, anything I can basically to get this thing back on its wheels. Because, you know, that'll feel like we've done something at that point. So yeah, let's do it. Right, spent the first bit of today just tidying up the mess that we've made over the past few weeks, so at least we can see the floor again. Dragged the rear subframe out. It's time to strip this thing down completely so we can get the main subframe blasted and powder coated. I guess the trailing arms are going to go away for powder coating. Everything else needs cleaning up, new bushes and ball joints all round, so yeah, let's get on with that. Midway through this thing, it's coming apart as you would expect a car that looks like it's been under the sea for a bit. You know, every bolt is sort of seized. Yeah, I've had to have a break. It's time for a cup of tea and some rations, but I guess we'll get it apart. Just a little tip while I'm thinking about it from the good old BMW days, at least when E46s were new. If you're not sure if your part is right or left side of the car, if you look at the last number of the part number, if you can read that, 7, if it's an even number, say an 8, it would be the right side of the car. An uneven number would be the left side of the car. That's how it always was. I'm not sure what's happened in the last 10 years or so, but at least when E46s and earlier were new, that was a basic rule that you could follow. So, you know, tech tip, try and be helpful.
I'm back.
You're back from your bunker?
I'm not sure what he's told you, but yeah, I'm back.
I told him you were hanging out with Bill Gates in a bunker.
Yeah, no, everything's okay. I'm back. I did try and go away on holiday with the wife for a bit. It didn't work out too well, so yeah, a day and a half in and we're back, and first thing I need to do obviously is come and check on what this fool's been doing. So yeah, I'm now going to drain the diff and see what's going on the inside of this.
Can we just stand on it for you?
Might be okay if I can just
Give it a crack.
Yeah, there we go. Brand new.
Not carbon.
No, it's brand new. It's probably pretty expensive stuff, isn't it? It's from Shermer as well.
I should imagine so. He loves brand new drive shafts, doesn't he? They're brand new on that Z4 as well.
Oh, are they?
They were, yeah. You got one on the CSL now, but yeah.
There's more oil.
Yeah. What diff is it? It's not factory, is it?
It's unmarked, so it's probably still the Carbonetics.
Yeah, I would have thought so.
Pull that apart and see what the state of it is.
Was it a 1.5 way?
Yes, I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
I don't know what I learned, but yeah.
You learned that the diff's still in there?
Yeah. Well, there is a diff in there.
Not a factory one?
Yeah.
Like a plated diff is in there?
Yeah. Might as well just put this back together.
Yeah, there's no reason
Like,
to.
let somebody else look at it maybe, or just whatevs.
Or just, yeah, it's perfect.
Yeah. One less thing to fix.
Yeah.
Maybe. Right, we've fueled Jay up. We've got coffee. I've got coffee.
I'm hoping it's Yorkshire's finest.
Are you on the tea, are you?
Yeah, if you're trying to trick me some Tetley or something.
Nah.
Yeah, I'm going to be alright.
Good tea. But yeah, I let him make a cup of tea, despite, you know, his hygiene being questionable.
I've taken my gloves off to use your kettle. Calm down.
You are a dirty, grotty human.
I have to go in the shower after I've been here, I get dirty.
Oh, what? You have to have a shower? Fucking hell, Jay. Going?
I don't think it is.
No.
Well, no, the screwdriver's just coming out the box.
There's like a lot of pressure.
Not gone there.
In before the bee.
It's done that in the first place.
Instead of trying to use the actual tool.
Got fancy tools? No, just clobber it. So on to the next bit of misery, and these look particularly miserable.
I think we saved this from the Titanic.
Yeah. This, you know, we always said when we got it back, we thought the rust wasn't that bad considering how long it sat for 3 years, 4 years, however long it was.
Well, I don't think this is that abnormal on an old BMW. It's just
Grim.
It's just how they are.
Yeah, grim. But yeah, 20 years old we reckon, so yeah, get that stripped, and I don't know whether to, what do you reckon? Do you reckon just blast it? Like maybe...
Well, they're black, aren't they, from factory? So
okay, we'll just powder coat them, yeah. Just get them powder coated, and then obviously clean out the area for the bearing nicely. Happy days.
And we know all about these bearings. It's going
yeah.
to fall apart in a minute.
Yeah. It hasn't got the backing plate on for the...
It's been cut down to, or it's got a small one, whichever way around.
And the handbrake cables are seized in, are they?
They're quite stuck, yes.
Yeah. I guess juice it up first, and then we'll...
Dugger it.
Yeah, dugger, and then snap it. You know what you're doing now?
What?
You having just done it on the CSL.
I know, it will all fall apart. Well, we could take these out to make us feel better. Oh, that's better.
You get that hood bit off, I'll do the bush. I'll do the easy bit, you do the hard bit.
Okay, I don't know, just beat it. Are these special backing plates? They cut down nicely.
I think I just cut them down if I remember correctly because I had the stop set brakes on.
Yeah, it's to clear the brakes, but
Yeah.
they just look quite, you know, they don't just look like they've been hacked.
Yes, because I did it.
Alright. Just saying. I thought they were like a real thing. Let's just smash it up.
Okay.
Just
Power of smash.
well, champ.
Did you do it?
Yeah, sweet. I haven't got the bearing out yet, but I did it.
We can do that with this, can't we? Just a quick phone conversation about the likelihood of the business being shut down.
Right.
And 12 members of staff.
Yeah.
Joy.
Yeah, it's not good. That's what it did. We just watch your face when it's weighing. the deep safer, I suppose.
Where's the fun in that?
Cool.
Yeah. Pretty bouncy to me.
Yeah, everything's very coiled. Yeah, smooth.
You reckon?
Yeah, it has. See it gap on that side towards you, I think. I don't know if it's all moved.
We can now just put that on the press on the box there.
Yeah, we can, yeah.
Right. Here we are at the tool we should have just used anyway, but
Where's the fun in that?
there's the, you know, let's just cripple our old man knees.
And as usual, made sure that, you know, nothing valuable's anywhere.
Yeah, we've got the most expensive target in the workshop.
Standard practice.
Yeah.
Standard quarantine practice. Oh, quarantine, do you think we're allowed to say that without getting demonetised?
That's one way to find out, isn't it?
I know you're not allowed to say, and you're not allowed to say.
Yeah, let's say common cold.
You're not allowed to say disease control.
Hazmat.
Should we see how many of these we can get in without getting demonetised?
Well, no, because they'll just delete your video and
I
it'll
think,
be all
I think it's more than demonetised. I think they're actually like not allowing videos like that because words like that might make people panic.
What, and BBC News doesn't?
BBC News definitely makes people panic. Makes panic.
You're allowed to say
You're not allowed to say. Definitely not allowed to say that word.
I hate the future. You can't say anything anymore.
No.
Can't have Craig's calendars. Can't say.
One up.
Reload then.
Whelan, come again, please, please, please.
Please, please, please. Oh, no, don't hit Porsche.
Boom.
I had a message off a man last night on Instagram,
Yeah.
and it said, it was a photo, and it said, this content is blurred for your safety or something, you know, only click it if you want to.
So obviously you clicked it.
Well, I asked Fraser, and he was convinced I was going to see a penis.
Why?
Because obviously that's what happens if you get that warning on Instagram, a penis is coming. But you know what it was?
What?
A man's toasted sandwich is the correct way around.
What?
Yeah.
Showing you how it's done.
No, he did it the same way as me.
Oh, okay.
Me and Craig set
Did he
neutral.
butter it though?
I don't know, I didn't ask that many questions.
You got butter the
It was late
outside.
at night, but
I'd forgotten about that. It's been so long since I made a cheese and ham toasty. Apparently, there's a bit of an uproar over your toasty making skills.
well, I didn't see a penis, so you know, bonus.
Yeah, there is that. Lovely. Easy as that.
Yeah. Now just 4 ball joints.
Oh, they're miserable, them things are, aren't they?
Well, we've got a tool now, so I'm alright.
Okay.
Back on your knees.
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
We're not reusing that.
Actually, we're definitely not reusing them. Yeah, they're perfect. Good to go again.
Yeah.
Right. Tiny bit angry, but let's see.
Let's
whether
see
we
if
can-
it twangs you in the Porsche. Whee!
Nice. Let's see whether we can get the sleeve thing stuck in it now.
We're bound to, aren't we?
Not very happy. It needs to be just slightly slimmer, but it's got it going. So I guess we can see whether we've got a size. What was that? 36.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need a 34, don't we?
Let's
But
see.
this one won't fit in the press. We can't get the angle on it, so we're going to have to use
The windy
bar.
tool.
Yeah, so we might as well just do it both around there.
Okay.
That's great. No, it's got the right combo.
Batteries, isn't it?
Yeah.
Done.
Done.
Let me put that. Put all the tools away now, I reckon, because
Yeah.
we've probably done for pressing, haven't we?
Yeah, we've
Or
done.
have a guess.
No, I think everything is apart.
Game on.
Yeah, it's tight.
That's me for the week.
Well, thanks for coming.
Anytime, glad to help. No, I'm in all seriousness, because there's a pretty good chance that the UK is going to be locked down pretty soon because of ridiculousness. But yeah, I've got to go and check on the Lamborghini project and make sure everything's under control there. See me buddy Gaz and see whether he's planning on locking himself in and completing it. Yeah, so we'll see how that goes. Jay's got most of the pile of powder coating stuff ready.
At least to get the back wheels back on anyway.
Yeah, so that's, I mean, again, who actually knows what's going to happen with that stuff, because if we send it away, there's a good chance it might not come back for 3 or 4 weeks anyway, or we couldn't get it. So it's all a bit of a guessing game at the moment. I hope everyone's being safe and hygienic, not like him, dirty bugger.
I don't understand.
You soap!
I do!
Disgusting animal.
You soap.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Hopefully see you next time.
Yeah, see you on the other side.
At Driftworks, we've helped over 50,000 happy customers since 2004. Our huge online parts store is simple to use, with superb shipping rates to anywhere in the world, and finance options available for UK customers. We live and breathe wheel fitment, so if you have any questions about your own car or any of our products before placing an order, please drop us an email at shop@driftworks.com or give us a call. Thanks for watching.